important concept, that is quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? Simply quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are nothing but simply they are numbers. Represent what? Quantum numbers indicate generally to know the position of electron in an atom. We have 4 quantum numbers. To know the position of electron in an atom, we have how many quantum numbers? 4 quantum numbers. Let us see one by one. The first one is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number, and it is represented with n. It is introduced by Niels Bohr. Principal quantum number introduced by name of the scientist Niels Bohr. It represent with letter. It represent with letter small n. N value starts with 1, 2, 3 and so on, or K, L, M and so on. Significance. It is a very, very important one in your examination point of view. Significance. Significance means mainly the principal quantum number explains here the size and shape of the size and it mainly explains the size and energy of the orbit. Size and energy of the orbit. Here n value starts with 1, 2, 3. Here are K, L, M. 1 means first orbit or first shell, second orbit, second shell, third orbit, third shell, like that one. Otherwise K shell, L shell, M shell and so on. Significance. Principal quantum number mainly explains the size and energy of the orbit. That means as increase the size, of orbit, energy of the orbit also increases. Energy of orbit also increases. Means what? As increasing the size of the orbit, energy of the orbit also increase. Otherwise, as increase the n value, size and energy of the orbit also increases. Simply remember like this. As increase n value, size and energy of the orbit, also increases. Let us see. As increase the n value, size and energy of the orbit also increases. See, here 1 means first shell, second shell, third shell and so on. Otherwise K shell, L and M shell. Students, observe here, in first shell the shape of the orbit small, whereas second shell somewhat large, third shell somewhat more large, like this one. That means as increasing the n values, n means principal quantum number. As n value increase, the size of the orbit increases. Okay. And the energy of the orbit also increase. That means what? Generally, first orbit which is nearly towards nucleus, whereas second orbit somewhat large distance, more distance, third orbit somewhat more distance, fourth orbit. As increasing the distance, the energy of the orbit also increases, whereas towards the nucleus less energy, for the nucleus more energy, the orbit contain more energy. Simply in principal quantum number, mainly it explains the size and energy of the orbit. As increase the n value, the size and energy of the orbit also increases. Right. Now another important one is maximum number of electron present in any orbit, that is given by maximum number of electrons in any orbit, that is given by maximum number of electrons in any orbit is given by 2n square, 2n square. Here n indicate what? N equal to orbit number or shell number, orbit number. See the examples. Maximum number of electrons, maximum number of electrons in L shell. Remember, L shell means, K means first shell, L means second shell. Here L equal to, L means second shell. We know the 2n square principle. 2 into n means second shell, orbit number or shell number, 2 into 2 square. Here how many maximum number of electrons? 8 electrons. E minus means electrons. So similarly, in your examination, the maximum number of electrons present in M shell or third shell, the options are here the 2, 18, 14, 20, like this one. Let us see. Maximum number of electrons in third shell, in M shell. M shell, maximum number of electrons. Maximum number of electrons. How many? Here 2 into K means first shell, L means second shell, M means third shell. 2 into 3 square, 2 into 3 square, 3 3 is 9 into 2, that means 18 electrons. Okay students. Maximum number of electrons in any orbit is given by 2n square. For example, first orbit n equal to 1, here the 2 into 1 square, 2 electrons. Second orbit 2 into 2 square, that means 8 electrons. In third orbit, like this one. Otherwise in your examination, K shell, L shell, M shell or N shell. For example, N shell, N means 4. Number of orbit is fourth orbit, 2 into 4 square. 4 square means 16 into 2, that means 32 electrons are present in fourth shell. Right? Next is angular momentum quantum number. Angular momentum quantum number, it is represented with letter small l, small l, or azimuthal quantum number, or azimuthal quantum number. Angular momentum quantum number or azimuthal quantum number. It is introduced by Sommerfeld, name of the scientist, Sommerfeld. It represent with small l, letter small l. L value starts with starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Maximum L value is n minus 1. Here in your examination, what is the maximum L value? That is n minus 1. The initial L value is 0. Starting or L value starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The maximum L value is n minus 1. Significance. Mainly the angular momentum quantum number explain the subshell present in main shell, and it explain the shape of the orbitals. It mainly explain the subshells present in main shell. Subshells present in main shell and shape of the orbitals. Mainly explain the subshells present in main shell. What is mean by subshell present in a main shell? Generally, all of you very well know the K shell, L shell, M shell. These are the shells. Subshells means in that shell, main shell, some shells are present. They are called as subshell or sublevel. For example, in 10th class is a shell. Whereas in the 10th class there are two sections are present, 10th A and 10th B. Here A and B are subshells. Okay students, A and B are subshells. Similarly, in orbits there are sublevels or subshells are present. It explains the subshells present in main shell and the shape of the orbitals. Okay students. So already we discussed the shape of the orbitals. See the subshells. The number of orbitals present in subshell is 2L plus 1. Here L means azimuthal quantum number or angular momentum quantum number. And the number of electrons present, or maximum number of electrons, maximum number of electrons, see. Maximum number of electrons present in subshell is 2 into 2L plus 1. Remember these two important points. Number of orbitals present in a subshell is 2L plus 1. Whereas maximum number of electrons present in subshell is 2 into 2L plus 1. Okay students, let us discuss some examples. If L equal to 0, the electron belongs to S subshell. L equal to 0, the electron belongs to S subshell or sublevel. If L equal to 1, electron belongs to P subshell. If L equal to 2, D subshell, electron belongs to D subshell. If L equal to 3, electron belongs to S subshell. Remember, if L equal to 0, electron belongs to S subshell. L equal to 1, P subshell. L equal to 2, D subshell. L equal to 3, F subshell. In S subshell, how many number of orbitals? Only one orbital, that is S orbital is present. Whereas in P subshell, Px, py, pz orbitals are present. Pz orbitals are present. Okay. D subshell, in D subshell, dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. 5 orbitals. How many orbitals? 5 orbitals are present. 5 orbitals are present. Whereas in F subshell, here 7 orbitals are present. 7 orbitals. We no need to write the names of the F orbitals, that is not in our syllabus. Simply remember in F subshell how many orbitals are present? 7 orbitals are present. Whereas, okay students, once again, S subshell only 1 orbital, that is S orbital. Whereas P subshell 3 p orbitals. What are they? Px, py, pz orbitals are present. Whereas in D subshell 5 d orbitals are present. 5 d orbitals. dxy, dyz, dxz and dx square minus y square. Let us see the one example. In P subshell, how many orbitals are present? In P subshell, how many orbitals are present? P means for L equal to 1, that is P subshell. Remember, in your examination, P subshell, in P subshell, number of orbitals are option 1, 3, option 3 is 2, option 4 is all. P subshell number of orbitals. Already we know the number of orbitals present in P subshell. That formula is 2L plus 1. 2L plus 1. 2 into L. What is the L value? For P orbital or for P subshell. For P subshell, what is the L value? Here P subshell L value is, for P subshell L value is 1. Simply substitute 1. Here the 2 plus 1 means 3. So what are the orbitals? Px, py and pz. Px, py, pz. Students, the number of orbitals present in D subshell. Pause the video and guess the answer. Number of orbitals present in D subshell. Simply substitute 2L plus 1. Here L. For D subshell, L value is, for D subshell, L value is 2. Substitute 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 means 5. 5 means C. D subshell, how many orbitals are present? 5 orbitals. What are the 5 orbitals? dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. Okay students? Right. See some more examples. Maximum number of electrons present in F subshell. Options are 5, 7, 14, 2. Here they are asking maximum number of electrons present in F subshell. We have the formula 2 into 2L plus 1. So 2 into L means here for F subshell, what is the L value? See, for F subshell the L value is 3. Substitute the 2 into 3 plus 1. That means 2 into, here 2 into 3 means 6 plus 1, nothing but 14 electrons. So for F subshell, how many number of electrons are present? 14 electrons are present. Okay students, these are very very important one. The number of orbitals present in a subshell, the number of maximum number of electrons present in a subshell. Here one is 2L plus 1 for number of orbitals and 2 into 2L plus 1 for maximum number of electrons in a subshell. Okay students, right. Remember students, S subshell number of electrons are 2. P subshell number of electrons are 6. Maximum number of electrons, these are maximum number of electrons. For d subshell, maximum number of electrons are 10 electrons. For f subshell, maximum number of electrons, here all are maximum number of electrons are 14. Okay students, so remember in your examination the maximum number of electrons present in d subshell, simply remember 10 electrons. For s subshell 2 electrons. Here d subshell 10 and f subshell 14 electrons. Next, magnetic quantum numbers. Magnetic quantum numbers. Magnetic quantum numbers. It can be represented with the m, ml or m. It is introduced by Lande. Name of the scientist Lande. Represent with the small letter ml. M values, the possible m values starts minus L including 0, minus L to including 0 to plus L. Here L means angular momentum quantum number. L means angular momentum quantum number. Significance. So magnetic quantum number mainly explain the orientation. It explain the orientation of orbitals. What is the orientation of orbitals? That means orbitals are orientation. Orientation means in three-dimensional manner they are rotating along x direction, y direction and z direction. That is called orientation of orbitals. In your examination, what is the significance of magnetic quantum number? Simply remember, it explains the orientation of orbitals along x, y and z direction. And another important concept in the magnetic quantum number is calculate the possible magnetic quantum numbers. Possible magnetic quantum numbers. Let us see. For L value 1, for L equals to 1, possible magnetic quantum numbers are magnetic quantum numbers are. See, we know the m value starts with minus L to including 0 to plus L. Here L equal to 1. L equal to 1, that means the values are minus L, minus 1, 0, plus 1. The possible magnetic quantum number values are 3, minus 1, 0 and plus 1. For example, in your examination, for n equals to 1, for n equals to 1, if L value is 0, we know the n equal to 1, the starting values of angular momentum quantum number are 0. N equal to 1, then L value 0. What are the possible magnetic quantum numbers for L equal to 0? Simply minus 0, 0 plus 0, that means 0 only. The magnetic quantum numbers are magnetic quantum numbers are here 0. If L value 0, M value always 0. Remember, L value 0, angular momentum quantum number is 0, then always magnetic quantum number is 0. If L value 1, the possible magnetic quantum numbers are 3. What are they? They are -1, 0, +1. If the L value 2, what are the possible magnetic quantum numbers? Here, if L value 2, if L equals to 2, the possible magnetic quantum numbers are -2, 0, sorry, -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. Here the total number of magnetic quantum number values for if L equal to 0 is 5. What are the values? -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Okay students, for example, if it is 3 means -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and +3. Total 7 values are present. Okay students, it can also remember 2 into 2L plus 1, 2 into 2L plus 1. For example, if L equal to 1, simply substitute the value 2L plus 1. Magnetic quantum numbers can be calculated as 2L plus 1. See, for n equal to 1, what is L value? L value 0. Simply substitute the, if L equal to 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 means 0, 0 plus 1 means 1. Here only one value, that value is 0. That value is 0 for L equal to 0. Remember, if L is 0, then if L equal to 0, then always M equal to 0. M value is 0. Simply, for example, if L equal to 2, substitute the value 2 into 2 plus 1, that means 5. If L equal to 2, the possible magnetic quantum numbers are 5. What are they? -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you guess what are these values represent? These represent the d orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is dxy, this is dyz, this is dxz, dx square minus y square, this is dz square. Remember, the possible magnetic quantum numbers can be represented -L to including 0 to plus L. Otherwise, simply remember the formula 2L plus 1. 2L plus 1. If L value 2, the possible magnetic quantum numbers are how many? 5. What are they? -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. It is also important. Magnetic quantum numbers. Finding the possible magnetic quantum numbers. Right? The fourth one is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. It can represent with the S. S or MS or S. Okay students. Here it is introduced by Uhlenbeck and Goudsmith. S or MS. S or MS. It can be represented with S or MS. Significance, or before the significance, represent it represent with S, small s or ms. Significance. It explains the spin of electrons. Spin of electrons. That means the electrons, spinning of electrons, how the electrons are rotated, whether in clockwise or anti-clockwise. If electron rotate in clockwise, we can represent clockwise or upward arrow. If electron rotates in anti-clockwise, or downward direction, upward or downward, otherwise plus half or minus half, plus half or minus half, plus half symbol, otherwise minus half symbol. That means in an atom the electrons must be with opposite spin, For example, in orbital two electrons are present. One is in clockwise direction, it will rotate. Another one is anti-clockwise direction. That can be represented with the upward arrow, and another one is downward arrow. If upward arrow, otherwise plus half, downward arrow, otherwise minus half. Okay, students. If the electron in clockwise direction, plus half symbol, anti-clockwise direction, minus half symbol, upward, clockwise, downward, anti-clockwise direction. So these are the very, very important in your examination point of view. The compulsory questions should become in quantum numbers. Let us see the one example of 4 quantum numbers for a given atom. For 3s1, write the n, l, m and s values. Here n means orbit number. N means orbit number. Okay, here n equal to 3. L value. Here s orbital is given. For s orbital, what is L value? L value is 0. For s orbital, L is 0. L value is 0. Here 1 is given, m. M means the possible magnetic quantum numbers. If L value is 0, the possible magnetic quantum numbers always 0. Possible magnetic quantum numbers. Possible magnetic quantum numbers is 0. L value 0, always m value 0. Here spin, S equal to, here in s orbital 1 electron is present. That can be represented with the upward arrow, otherwise downward arrow. Plus half or minus half. So n equals to 3, L value 0, L value 0, m value 0 and s equal to plus half or minus half. For example, 3s2 is given, then we can represent the plus or minus half. If 3s2 is given, then s equal to plus or minus half, otherwise like this one. Whereas remaining n value 3, L value 0 and m value 0 for 3s2. So these are the n, l, m and s values, very, very important in the examination point of view. All of you must and should read thoroughly quantum numbers. Thank you, students.